An easy way to figure out hydration is to weigh out 100 grams of flour. And then after that, any weight of water that you add to that flour will be the hydration. For instance, if you add 60 grams of water to 100 grams of flour, you'll have 60% hydration. If you add 72 grams of water, you'll have 72% hydration. If you add 80 grams of water, you'll have 80% hydration, and so on. I'm using 70% hydration because it's a moderate amount of hydration that you can use for many doughs, and then the higher protein and whole grain flours will absorb more water, and so I wanted to start out with a slightly higher hydration. If we were testing all of our flours with a lower percentage, say 62%, then some of the doughs would get very dry and very hard to pull a window pane. So 70% hydration is a good hydration amount to pull a window pane and see what kind of quality of flour you have, and it will work across a larger variety of flours. Once you add less than 60 grams of water to 100 grams of flour, your dough will become pretty stiff. And so as the amount goes below 60 grams, like if you try to add 50 or 40, it will get harder and harder to add it to the flour because it'll be pretty dry. If you have a weak flour, you can add less water to the dough, and it will help make the dough a little stiffer and a little easier to handle for baking bread with. That's another little trick that you can use with a weaker flour.